Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start with today's session. So in the last session I have covered organization structure and its object, the relationship between the objects like object to object, position to object, position to cost center. So the relationship between position to person, that was pending. So for doing this task, first we need to hire an employee. So for hiring an employee, basic things we required like company code, personal area, personal sub area, employee group, employee subgroup, payroll area and position. The first name, last name, that all things is required as of now. These are like we are considering these things for hiring this employee. Okay. So this all description like what is personal area, what is personal sub area, employee group, employee subgroup, I will explain in the coming up section. Like in the personal administration I will explain in a detailed manner. So I am logging into SAP for hiring this employee. Here the transaction code PA40 for hiring an employee. Here the partner number, just entering this partner number. From date, which date onwards you want to onboard this employee, that date you enter, and then here hiring action, select and click to execute button. So here execute button, then like action type, reason for action, this is like created in the configuration. So this all things I will explain in the upcoming session. So here the position, this one position, and then personal area SRT1, employee group X, and then employee subgroup ST, and then click save button. I think creating some issue, maybe the control area is different, so that's why it is creating issue. So as of now I will take one dummy employee number called as a senior position 999, and then I will save this thing, and sub area SNGM, save. Then it will ask first name, last name, title, everything you can write. Sure. And then date of birth, whatever date of birth is there. As of now I am entering one dummy date of birth. Nationality I will take as Indian. Then click this entries. So after this screen, which screen needs to display, this all things will come under the configuration that I will show in the upcoming session. So just now I am clicking to skip button and then saving the details. Skip, I am just clicking to skip button, that is back button. This is the salary details. Okay, now this employee onboarded. So where I will go, PA20 is the transaction where we can see employee data. So PA20, see, we can see in the person data I can see his name, first name, last name, male, gender, everything. And then whereas in the organization assignment tab I can see his position, company code, everything I can see. So this position, if I assign this position, then this position belongs to 1120. So now I will do one thing. So now what I will do, instead of hiring in that company, I will create one more partner, and then I will onboard this employee with a different company code, this company code IN06 as a personal sub area, and then company code I will select here 7,000. See, when I assign this position, automatically cost center occurred here. So our that assignment is working properly. So now employee onboarded successfully with these details. Just I am entering the same way how I entered in the last screen. I am just skipping this all step. Address details, shift schedule, everything I'm just skipping. Now what I will do, I will go into PA20 and then I will enter this partner number and then organization structure where I can see his all details like company code, personal area, sub area, cost center, employee group, employee subgroup, his org unit like HR, where it is created the position under HR department and what is the job key manager. So now what we'll do, we'll go into PPOME transaction code. There we'll see that in the HR department whether that person is displaying or not. What is that company code? ABC company code. Let me see whether I can able to see or not. Here under Bangalore HR department I can see senior manager. Now we are able to see two person because I hired two employees in the same position with the same position. So that's why I'm able to see two partner details. Okay, so now recent which we hired is this one 8 series 16 which is ending with 6. So P automatically it came as a holder. Now what we'll do, we'll go into PO13 screen where whether holder maintained automatically or not, that we will see. Enter the position number, click to relationship button, click all and then click to overview button. Now we can see two partner here. Suppose I don't want this partner holder to be assigned, then what I will do, I will delimit. Instead of deleting, we can delimit by clicking edit and then remove this end date with a 1/1/2024. Then we can't see that person holding this position. Otherwise we can like that we need to process. So as of now I'm deleting this partner. Otherwise leave it. We can hire same employee with the same position, no problem. So this is how we understood how to maintain this like org to org relationship, org to position to org and position to holder, position to cost center and then job description. See, that's all overview we can see here. All kind of a relationship between the object like O, P, P, K, C, all we can see. This is how OM will work. Hope you enjoyed this session. Maybe in the next session, I will start with a PA, that is personal administration. Just go through the videos and enjoy. Thank you all.